Healthy self-esteem is essential for mental and physical well-being. Research on the origins of self-esteem has concluded that unconditional love is a key component. This course will present techniques that have been proven to help students develop the life skills they need for healthy self-esteem. You will learn step-by-step techniques to help your students handle mistakes from their past and respond well to criticism, foster compassion for themselves and others, set and achieve goals that will enrich their lives, and learn self-acceptance techniques. Today's students deserve the opportunity to learn these valuable life skills. In this course, you will demonstrate strategies to improve or maintain a healthy self-esteem, study the relationship between healthy self-esteem and optimal health, develop an action plan that incorporates life skills, and develop a lesson plan or workshop that focuses on strategies to promote a healthy self-esteem.